Now, in the given question, we have a block of mass m is placed on a smooth inclined wedge ABC of inclination theta as shown in the figure. Now, the wedge is given an acceleration a towards the right. The relation between a and theta for the block to remain stationary on the wedge is. Now, we know that the gravitational force is pulled downwards, so mg would be on this side, and the n, now the acceleration is pointed towards the right, so the acceleration would be at this side. So if in a non-inertial frame, we can say that n sine theta would be equals to ma, and for n cos theta would be equals to mc. Now, by using both of these formulas, we will be able to get tan theta would be equals to a upon z, and now by rephrasing this equation, we will be able to get the value of a, which would be equal to g tan theta. Hence, option 4 is the correct option for this question.